I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay. I'm only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay. I'm only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay. I'm only human, can't you see? I made a mistake.
Good morning, everybody. It's been a long time since I posted. Not a long time, but it's been a while since I posted a vlog. And right now it's my third day back at work. There's my job right here. I work at the same company for ISG, Holiday Inn Express. Just a different location, new people. So far, it's okay. I actually got like 10 minutes before I gotta go clock in. So I just thought I'd start my vlog this morning and then I'll finish it when I get off, or I'll probably show a little bit when I'm at work. But so far, it's okay. The people are really nice. It's just a lot of old people, and I'm not used to being with a lot of like older people. And when I say older, I mean like in their 40s, because I'm only 25. So it's like a lot of older people this time, and not a lot of people in my age group. So, but it's still okay. It's nice. So yeah, I'm about to head into work. I'm in the truck by myself. I'm driving. Avery has his car this time. So yeah, I'm about to go into work, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. It is almost 10 o'clock in the morning. I gotta be at work at 11. I don't want to go. Good morning, everybody. I'm gonna try to vlog today. I've been trying to vlog. Y'all know I suck with the vlogs, but I'm gonna try to vlog. Look at this scarf. I'm gonna try to vlog today for real, and I'm gonna go to work. And I can't really vlog much at work, but I can vlog going to work, coming from work, and then I'll post some. I don't know, I'll try to find something to do. I just really don't feel like being bothered today with these people. Oh my God. All right, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Yes, Haley. Cause I got 10,000 damn ideas. I got a million songs right here. But I don't got one. I don't got one. So once again, I wasn't able to vlog, I should say. I got ready for work, went to work, and they asked me to stay later than my scheduled time. So I ended up getting off really late, and it was dark, and I ended up going home and going to sleep. So we're going to try this again today. I'm about to get up. I don't have to be at work till 3 right now. It's like 9:30. I'm working 3 to 11 tonight, so I'm about to get up and go to like Walmart and get me some new slacks for work and a new button-up shirt and grab me some lunch to take to work and then go to work. So that's gonna be my morning before I go to work. See you in a little bit. Did I suck? Hey, I went to Walmart. I didn't vlog anything. I'm going to Dollar Tree right now. There's Dollar Tree. I'm about to go in there and get me like a little, what is those things called? I need to get something to clean the floor. So like one of them sponge mops or just a mop. I just need something to clean my floor for like a week, and then I'm going to get a Swiffer because I cannot take my floor in my bathroom right now. Avery done gave the dogs a bath, and my floor is just fur everywhere. It's just disgusting. So I'm still looking for a shower rod for my second bathroom. I have not found one. I went to Walmart, they didn't have any, so I'm kind of upset. But yeah, I'm about to go into Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to get a few items. Then I'm going to head home, take a shower, get ready to go to work. But then I'm going to Noodles and Company to pick up my lunch though, because I haven't had noodles in like 3 years probably. Because all the ones that I used to go to closed down. One in Virginia closed down. Both of them in Virginia closed down, and both of them in Texas closed down. So I'm kind of upset. So yeah, I'm going to see y'all in a little bit. So my phone is about to die, so I can't record too much more. I'm about to go into Noodles and Company, my favorite restaurant. And I'm going to get me a truffle mac with broccoli and Parmesan crusted chicken. I'm about to call Avery and see what he wants before my phone dies. And I will see y'all when I get home. So I just got back home. Finally, it's 11:54 on the ticket, but it's 1 o'clock now. So I'm kind of mad that it took me so long to get home. But it's worth it because I got some Noodles and Company. And this is what I got. It comes in a little bowl like this. This was my favorite thing to get when I used to work there. This is a not a pesto. Avery got a pesto, but this is a what am I messing up these names for? This is a truffle mac with Parmesan crusted chicken and breadcrumbs on top. And it's elbow noodles, just like a regular mac and cheese, but it has truffle oil infused in the cheese sauce, so it's bomb. I didn't get any mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms, but I like the oil. But I'm gonna smash. Also, I forgot to tell you, I substituted my mushrooms for broccoli. So yeah, it's even better now because that's broccoli. Oh my god. Y'all, it's so good. So as you can see, I'm still at work. And I'm beyond bored. It's 9:35. I'm trying to be quiet because I really hope a guest does not walk in. I have about an hour and a half left. I'm about to be out of here. I gotta be back here tomorrow at 12. I get off tonight at 11. I'm gonna show y'all. This is my workstation. So yeah, I'm just waiting for 11 o'clock to get here so I can get out of here, because 10:30 I'm counting my drawer down and I'm closing my cash. So I'll see y'all when I get home.